Hello, my name is Steve Paris, and I am the founder and president of Enlīt. Enlīt provides analytics, digital tools, and consulting that help education leaders direct more dollars to the classroom, manage more strategically, accelerate improvement, and reach their goals. All educational leaders aspire to deliver the best possible results and experiences for students. Those that achieve excellence strive to sustain it. Most are also trying to attain the district's strategic vision and goals as well. The obstacles to achieving these aspirations, however, are significant and growing and accelerating. Not the least of these is the lack of resources to meet existing needs and fund strategic initiatives. Moreover, data-savvy voters and boards are demanding facts to support decisions and requests. Leaders simply don't have time or people to fully overcome these barriers and reach their goals. Implication is that it isn't getting any easier to manage a school district, yet how district leaders address these ever-growing challenges and reach district goals will impact their own careers as well as students in the district. What are the options, other than new money, for today's overworked superintendents? Option A, do nothing. Use the same approach, get the same results. Option B, work harder. That is probably not possible. And option C, encourage other people to work harder. Your staff are probably already working as hard as they can. And then finally, option D, make your data work for you. We assume you would select option D, putting analytics to work for you. Why data? First, you are already using data in the classroom. Second, the systematic use of data is a proven best practice used by high-performing schools, hospitals, and businesses. Third, the use of data was identified as a best practice in Jim Collins' book, Good to Great. And fourth, I know from personal experience leading the turnaround of a 40,000 student district and generating over $17 million in savings over the course of 3 years, that the use of data and lean improvement methods are among the most powerful tools that leaders can use. These conclusions have been confirmed by our work with over 135 districts throughout the U.S. Having worked in and with both high and low performing districts, we have learned that the latter, the budgeting processes, allow inefficiency, waste, and low impact programs to continue. Strategic plans lay dormant and don't achieve desired outcomes. Issues tend to be dealt with after they become problems. Wrong problems are often worked on, and standards and goals aren't clear. Improvements are also delayed, and firefighting unfortunately is common. Data-driven high-performing districts, on the other hand, direct more resources to the classroom, have data to identify pending needs, enjoy more effective communications both internally and externally. They assess program effectiveness and bang for the buck. Their strategic plans are implemented, and the culture uses knowledge and facts to influence outcomes and make decisions. And as a result, they improve at a faster rate. Of these two, which one are you closer to? No matter where you are, Enlīt can help you become a more efficient organization that manages more strategically and improves at a faster rate. You are already providing your teachers with the data and tools to improve in the classroom. Why not equip your leadership team with a toolkit that will help them improve and reach their goals in their areas of responsibility? We know that you don't have the time, people, or resources to spend on data. We have the analytic, digital tools, and dashboards and decades of experience using them to help districts become higher performing, data-driven organizations. Let's take a look at our portfolio of administrative analytics, digital tools, and lean methods. Enlīt has been built by administrative leaders with deep experience using data to support the analytical needs of superintendents, CFO, COOs, and other administrative professionals. Let's take a look at the solutions we bring to the table. Enlīt Analytics. And experienced administrators and education data experts, we know what measures are needed to create transparency, support evidence-based decision-making and improvement, and to keep administrators informed. Our internal measurement systems reveal knowledge on performance that can't be identified with traditional budgeting tools. Enlīt has unique measurement systems for 13 operational areas, 10 service functions, schools, and whole student growth and development. Digital tools. Our digital tools can be used as standalone products or to automate key steps in the improvement process, including assessment, planning, monitoring, and communications. We offer 10 different tools that fit into one of these 4 key purposes. Assessment. We offer out-of-the-box, ready-to-use operations, instruction, spending, and student test data assessment tools. These tools offer one-click access to professional reports that help users quickly identify strengths, weaknesses, trends, and opportunities. Using these tools, users can have answers to questions such as where have we been, how are we doing, and where are we headed, and how can we improve. Strategic planning. Our strategic planning tool automates many of the time-consuming steps in strategic or improvement planning. The planning system can be used to organize improvement initiatives throughout the district, measure outcomes, and track progress. Monitoring and reporting with custom dashboards. Clear, concise, and easy to use and understand, Enlīt's dashboards can be used for multiple purposes, including superintendent and board reporting, KPI reporting, or be customized to deliver the data that support individual department and district needs. Communications. Our dashboards and infographics are highly effective means for helping everyone understand your vision, make them aware of goals, and communicate progress both internally and externally. Lean training. Data doesn't solve problems, people do. We can equip your team with improvement methods and tools from Lean, a world-class improvement methodology. Lean is a common sense, easy-to-use set of tools for assessing and improving processes, reducing waste, and improving quality. Our experienced staff can train leadership teams and administrators on how to improve efficiency and reduce waste in administrative operations and instructional processes. How we work with clients. Enlīt staff take the time to understand your aspirations, challenges, and current level of data use. We work to determine if we can help and recommend the tool or set of tools that will help you reach your goals. Once the data scope and tools are selected, you provide the data, we do the rest. We can also help you learn how to interpret the data, provide recommendations based on the results, and help you learn how to apply Lean, if interested, to that particular problem. Call Enlīt today. We would love to learn about your situation and discuss options to help you take the next steps in becoming a more data-driven, successful organization.